Effortlessly, effortlessly.
Hey y'all, it is what, Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday. We're finna head in here to get my toes done. Finna get this good old French tip. Y'all, I've never been a white toe girly. I love me a good French tip. They do a good job. I don't come here all the time, or I don't really get my toes done all the time, should I say, but the last time I came, they did a really good job, so I hope I can get the same lady.
She said, take your time with some rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog. She said, take your time with some rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I can smoke no happy so cold in my blood, yeah. I see fast, pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down to you. Said I'll put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time with some rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm she said, take your time with some rush.
Alright, hey y'all, so I'm done getting my feet done. It's crazy how I was hyping up damn near the nail salon, and now, baby, you will never catch me in there again. Not unless I can figure out, I just put some lotion on this and that's good, but not unless I could figure out who the girl is that I went to, because this dude, it was just, I don't know. That's why I don't like going to shops sometimes, because I feel like the language barrier, I don't know, I feel like they kind of lean on that, because he was, I don't want to say he was acting like he didn't know what I was talking about, because it's very well that he could not know what I was talking about. But I was telling him one of my toes was like a real deep French and the other one was not a deep French, and he was, let me try to get this back centered, but he was trying to say like, oh, this toe is wider than the other one, and I could understand certain situations like that, but I literally had got my toes done here. The set that you had to drill off, I got done here, and it was perfect. One wasn't wider than the other because my toe wider. It wasn't none of that, so I wasn't trying to hear that. So yeah, that would be my last time going there. I would be either looking for a new toe tech that I can go to that speaks fluent English, or I will be doing them myself. I am walking up to my lash appointment. Usually I will wait in the car until I get, you know, like the come in text, but baby, I'm going to the door. The days are over of me like just being very passive. I got an appointment at 6:45, so no. But I got an appointment at 6:45, so I'm gonna be there at 6:45. But I'm gonna go knock on the door. This is something that I would never usually do, but I don't know. I'm a different person now. I used to leave services unsatisfied. That's no longer who I am. That's no longer me. If I'm paying you, we gonna get it done correctly. And if it ain't like perfect, nothing's gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be done correct. That ice cream truck.
Todd, can you play that again?
Let me tap that drum. Let me tap that drum. Let me tap that drum.
I literally was just talking about not leaving nowhere unsatisfied and not liking nothing. And girl, if you see this, I promise you, I don't not like my lashes. I love my lashes. You were real cool. She did a good job. It's just they look similar to last time. They don't look exactly like last time. Last time I think they were longer and they were for sure thicker. I think that I'm just not used to, because like I really don't wear lashes on a regular, and if I do wear lashes, they're very natural. So I feel like it's just kind of like I gotta get used to it. And I don't know if I'm gonna put, I don't know if y'all can hear me in the clip or if I'm gonna put it in, but when I was in there I was saying like I feel like if I would have went too much shorter, it would have felt like way too natural and it wouldn't have given birthday. I think I gotta get home and look at it because my makeup is also like old as fuck and very natural. We're gonna see. I think I'm not satisfied because I literally was just talking about that. It's just honestly like I think it's just something I gotta get used to. Like my hair, I took it out the ponytail, so I just look funny in general. So I feel like I need to get home and look at myself in like normal lighting. I think I'm gonna at least dye my hair tonight. That's neither here nor there. I'm finna put my GPS on, and yeah, once I get home I'll check in. I'll try to remember to check in with y'all so I can give y'all like an update after, like probably after I get in the shower and everything, to see how I'm feeling. But she let me know. She said tomorrow, because I told her I leave tomorrow night for my trip. She was like, tomorrow if you see anything that's like, she was like, let me know and she will fix it. So I really appreciate that. She was really nice. That's why if she see this clip, I promise you, like, it's not that I don't like them. I really do like them, but it's just something. I think as a service provider, you understand that when somebody doesn't get like, because when I do makeup, if you don't wear makeup often, you're gonna feel like you look hella weird when you get your makeup done. So I think it's just something that's gonna have to grow on me. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so I am home. I'm freshly home, ain't showered, no nothing. But I can tell that they're definitely a lot thinner than last time. So I like that because I think they're wispier too. It's hard, excuse me, it's hard to tell, but I think we're good. I think I'm gonna keep them. I don't think I'm gonna have to talk to her. I don't think I'm gonna have to go back and have her redo them. Because honestly, as I was leaving, I was like, bitch, why do I feel like I'm gonna want to come back and have her do them shorter? But I think we're good. I think I'm almost certain we're good. I feel like with some bottom eyeliner and some mascara on my bottom lashes, I will like it. So I'm about to dye my hair black. I usually don't use this. For some reason, I have this in my room. Is there like an expiration date on this? But for some reason I have this in my room. I usually use like Kiss or Adore semi-permanent dye, but I got this and I'm gonna be in water, so I figured, and in the sun, so I figured this would be good to give a go. My hair isn't like completely clean, but it's not like super dirty either. This reminds me of the perm. The gloves. Oh baby, we finna do a perm. Preparation. Damn, because I really usually don't like, I usually don't be. So we leave it on for 30 minutes. Put the gloves on. Snap the tip of the Dark and Lovely.
Snap the tip.
Snap off the tip of Dark and Lovely Cream Developer.
Applicator cap. Oh, that's this. Remove cap from applicator bottle. Pour entire contents of Dark and Lovely color conditioning hair color bottle this into this. Do I put this in here? Oh no, that's conditioner. Use this method if this is your first time coloring hair. Put it in 4 sections. Alright. I know what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna do, should I do 4 sections? Should I listen to the instructions? I think I'm gonna do 2 sections. I think I could get away with 2 sections. I think so. Okay, let's take our earrings out. For me right now, that's crackhead behavior. I'm about to watch a YouTube video while I do this. So, cue the music.
must not know what you just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit regardless. Get my goon and swipe that bitch and now the spirit to charge. Making music, being on bitches, I be really much. I got hands for a hoe. I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance, nigga, no. I keep saying free little folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down soon as I land on them folks. Don't follow the rules, I'm rebel. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. I'm stand up, bitch, like heavy. Oh, God. You a bum ass bitch, you messy. Don't stall me, bitch, I'm petty. Line in the bitch up, I'm ready. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds hurt, and all these members 32. Smiling in my nigga, ho, knock out all your 32. C8 doors, open up for me. Hear the engine roar, switch sport. I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important. With a drum, yeah, that's my favorite gun. Ask if he my only nigga. I said no, but you my favorite one. Nah, for real, yeah. Red.
I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Wing Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She said, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run it, check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma snap on these fuck niggas every time they pissed off. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama runs. Bitch throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around the dunk. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Wing Dixie, I get bags.